What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy Son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking about
a shoe that I kind of stumbled upon. I knew it was coming out and I saw it. I was like, I like these, but I didn't pick them up. But these were provided by one of the squad. And we are talking about the Nike Dunk Special Project X Special Edition SE2 Rainbow Trout, man. I don't know if you've seen these before, but you're about to. And Nigel, if it's their first time here, what should they do?
you need to ring that notification bell. Get that joint, ring it, because we got the heat. You want it, get it, ring the bell. Let's go. Notifications.
That's right. And for those who have been here and rocking with us, we appreciate you. If you're new to the squad, thanks for rocking about with our content. We have crossed the 3,500 sub threshold on our way to 5K, man. Just, appreciate you. Spread the word. Keep liking, keep vibing, keep hitting in the comments. Yeah. Love to hear from you. All right. So now that that's out of the way, this is an unexpected dunk, in my opinion. And really one, when I first saw it, I was like, man, this is like a really special looking shoe.
Okay.
Very different, but not your average run-of-the-mill dunk variety, right?
Yeah.
So you already see the paper. You got your regular dunk box.
Yeah.
But the paper looks like some water.
Wow.
Now, myself, I consider myself a good fisherman, an angler. We here in the DMV, in the, Chesapeake Bay. Fishing is real up here.
I consider myself something of a fisherman as well.
He has. Nigel's definitely caught some good fish. We go fishing every summer, typically, with my dad and some friends, but never for these. Not for these shoes.
Not for these trout.
Not for these, but this is a really different, unique shoe. And I just want to say off the rip that I really think this is a dope, different summer, just, a totally different vibe that they're giving with this shoe, man. And I think it's really special. So I don't know if you guys have seen it. I know this is dropping on the Sneakers app, I want to say on June 16th, but this dropped a couple of outlets about a week or so ago, like a Hibbett's, some other stores, but it was like a finish line, like a sneaky, like they just rolled them out. It wasn't like a big thing. It's not a hype shoe by any means. You see this one? It's not a hype shoe, but I think, it's giving us something different. And I always talk about, Nike doing something different. I appreciate that, so we don't just get another dunk with just another move the colors around, same leather, pleather, boom, here's another one, $110, do something different. What you think, man? Just off the rip, first glance.
I feel like this is going to be a long video. I have a lot of different thoughts about this shoe here.
You have a lot to say?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are y'all thinking? Hit us in the comments. Let me know your first thoughts, reaction to seeing the shoe.
Seeing this.
Yeah. Nigel said this. I don't think he likes it, guys.
Seeing this.
Meanwhile, on the other hand, I think it's pretty dope.
I think it's pretty dope as well.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
I love how they made it look like a fish.
Right, definitely.
They made it look like a fish, Got your, you're gonna have to explain what this is, because I don't even know what this is supposed to be.
So, if you've ever seen a rainbow trout,
I haven't.
Okay, so the rainbow that the trout talks about is characterized as on its skin. So on the skin, it has these little spots that are in different colors.
Oh.
And like there's an under layer that's like usually like a grayish, greenish, dark color, but then like these spots on it give it like that rainbow look. It's not really like rainbow like stripes, but it's spotted with different colors on it. So yeah, they went straight up rainbow trout.
They got the silver scales.
Yeah,
these look like straight scales on a fish to me.
Yeah, that's definitely fish scales.
Right, and then comes my next confusion.
Yeah,
which I thought was an issue in manufacturing. I thought they put this on the swoosh on accident. I was ready to rip it off.
No,
but I looked before I ripped it at this shoe. It had the same thing.
Yes.
So I'm like, oh, this is on purpose.
So you got to think fishing, right?
It's a hook.
Boom. Yes.
Boom shakalaka.
You fished, right?
Yeah,
so when you fish on that hook, there's a little extra barbs that's on that hook. You put your worm, your bait, whatever, and those little barbs help keep the fish on that hook.
They kind of cooked.
Yeah, they went full. They went, they dove full feet, full body into the fish motif on the shoe.
They did.
So like I said, the rainbow trout, you're getting grayish, kind of greenish. This is like a dark like forest green on the suede. Like I think the materials on this shoe were fantastic. The colors, right?
Yeah.
On this rainbow spotted situation, this is like a ripstop canvas. which I think in the summertime will make that a nice breathable, like airy shoe.
Cool.
Right. You know what I mean? And then on the swoosh, so this is maybe like the second time that Nike's done anything to alter the swoosh.
So I thought it was an accident.
Right. It's not what an accident. And the last time they did that was on those dunks. It was the Oski, where it's like the swoosh was actually like a shark. The whole swoosh. There's a high top dunk that came out 2020 or 2021. Yeah, the Oski dunks. I wasn't a fan of them, but yeah, the whole swoosh was like a shark.
Right, one shark.
Yeah, we'll have to throw those in the video. We'll pull up a picture of them.
Like a tail.
Yep, tail.
And then like head at the end.
Yeah, and it was like making some kind of motion.
Like this.
Different. Yep, exactly, exactly. So, you know, and then on the the outsole, this is all your typical dunk outsole, but they gave us this solid, I don't know this is almost like a sail color, but then they gave us like this stitching though, like the safety orange stitching around the shoe.
Stitch.
Yeah.
Safety orange?
I think that's what they call it, safety orange, yeah.
I thought it was like a fishing line.
Could be, it looks like it could be like a fishing line too. Yeah. I mean, that could be like a play into it. But yeah, on the upper there and on the back, we've got, again, that, you know, on the dark green, forest green kind of color. You've got a pink, which I'm thinking that's almost like fish flesh, like salmon-y, but like the flesh of the fish.
Yeah.
You know, you get that pink meat. Sounds weird, the pink meat. But then
it's kind of purple anyway.
Yeah, purplish, pink, lavenderish, I don't know. But then the inner swoosh on the medial side is a regular swoosh, right? But on the lateral side, it's that hook swoosh with the barb on it.
Yeah.
So they did that differently. Then they give you this pop of orange on the back collar with Nike and that hairy suede. And then this green up here is more that ripstop canvas at the very top of the collar.
Oh, that's definitely nice too.
Yeah, right.
Your ankles cooled out as
right
well over the summer.
Right. And then the tongue, you get like a canvas orange on the tongue.
Yeah.
And on the tongue, there's a fish. And that says, what does that say?
It says Nike Beaverton, 1972.
1972. Obviously, that's when the company was founded, right? And then you got the Nike logo on the back of the tongue.
And on the insole,
yep, is that the fish again?
You got another fish, Nike Beaverton, established 1972.
Yep, with the pink insole. So they tied all back together. Yeah.
I ain't never seen a Nike logo on a fish.
Right, just some text on the fish. I don't know. They just went all in on the fishing.
They did.
I mean, they're out in Oregon. I don't know, is fishing good out there for the folks that live out in that area?
Maybe.
I mean, I know it's a lot of water, a lot of rain. I don't know.
Beaverton. Any
Sure.
Beaverton fans? Any y'all folks?
Sure, I'm sure. But yeah, I mean, and black laces, but also inside too. That's great too. On the inside of the shoe, you got black around the inner collar and everything, which is great. So, you know, like dirt and things like that, it won't show up on the shoe. So that'll be like something that'll make it, you know, more durable and just it'll wear better. Because I love the, you know, the shoes, but when you get that white inside and the collar, like it'll, you know, you wear them, you wear any kind of colorful socks or just being out, it'll pick up dirt and stuff quick. And it's hard to do anything to clean that situation. And I love the fish scales, man, on the swoosh. That's pretty cool.
I see.
So they were real realistic.
I thought on these shoes been growing since we first pulled them out the box.
Your thoughts have grown?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, right off the bat, I looked at these and thought these were horrendous. It's just disgusting. But I understand it now.
Now you got some knowledge of it.
Yeah.
You get a little more appreciation.
I don't really think it looks good, but
I don't think it looks good.
I get it's a fish.
You like what it's going.
Fish are ugly.
You like what they're doing.
So, yeah.
But I think like on foot, like those look pretty cool. Like that's a nice looking shoe.
I mean, it's really like anything. You can put it on and make it work. So
yeah.
I cannot hate.
Like a summer shoe, you know, something you're wearing out and about.
I have to put on a couple layers with this though.
You thinking?
I don't know.
You need to have like your fishing vest and like some fishing.
Not like actually going fishing in these, but I mean like if I'm putting these on, I can't put on like some black shorts and a black tee with these.
No, you gotta do something.
Like they got way too much going on.
You gotta do something more colorful.
Right.
I understand. I mean, I think again, clean shoe.
Whatever floats your boat.
Yeah, whatever floats your boat. What are y'all thinking out there about the Rainbow Trout special project, special edition dunk? Again, it's the SE2. I don't know what the SE2 means on the box.
It says special edition, maybe?
I'm guessing special edition, but you know what? It might be two because there's another one, a different colorway that's coming out where it's more like overall like white. It's like a white and sail kind of color, and it's still tied back into this fish motif. So I think it could be that this is like 2 of the set, even though this one released first.
SE.
SE.
This is
2.
SE2.
So that's probably SE1. I'm gonna go with that. We'll see. We'll see as time comes. As time, time will reveal.
To me, though.
Yeah. Rating.
What's your rating?
My rating on this shoe? I give this shoe. I mean, I really again. I really like when we get something different. Never seen a shoe like this before.
That's true.
I hate to give things high rankings all the time, high ratings, but I typically mostly review shoes that I really like.
Yeah.
This is in my personal pairs, an 11.5. My man Wes, good looking out again, coming through.
Oh, he watching this too. I just dogged on your shoe this whole time, bro. I'm sorry.
Every shoe ain't for everybody, man. It's okay.
True.
You don't have to like the shoe that I like. I don't have to like the shoe that you like, right? To each their own.
Each man has his favorite fish.
There you go. Sure. Or fish shoe. I would give these an 8.5. I'm not gonna give a 9, 10, but I really like the execution here.
All right.
What you got? I want to read it. You can, hey, be honest, dude.
I gotta be honest.
Give it what you give.
My
it.
head is telling me say like 2.
Oh, Nigel really does not like it.
It's like I like it because it's so like special
and different.
You know, it's practical and all this innovative. But I look at the shoe and it looks ugly to me.
It's nothing that you would like see on the shelf and like, ooh, let me get that.
I'm never right. That's the thing. If I really like didn't know all this stuff, and also this is a whole bunch of knowledge about fishing, which I don't really care so much for anyway.
You fish?
I like fishing, but it's not like I got all this knowledge now and I'm like I'm about to cop these because it's still knowledge on fish.
Yeah.
Which isn't like my type of.
It's not your jam.
It's not my endeavors. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
But like
that's fine.
Yeah, I walk up to these. I don't know anything about them. These are the last shoes I'm picking up.
I said the last shoes. That's cool.
Stay alive.
Hey, that's okay. Dealing with a cold from this kid. Yeah, I like them. Let me know if y'all, up, down, thumbs up, thumbs down. Hit us in the comments. Hit me on IG at Real Daddy Seed. Sound off. Let me know what y'all thinking.
Yeah.
And we will see y'all on the next one. Peace.